your both hands up in the air. Hands up in the air. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Let's do it one more time all together. Come on. Happy birthday. Ang wish mo mamit ng daddy, maging good girl. Huwag mong gumana sa amin. So, stay healthy. We love you.
Is
Speak!
may takot sa Diyos at maging masunurin sa magulang.
Like you.
Purple dress and magic necklace. No, she has a magic necklace and she can speak to animals. To be the little princess, baby princess.
I am Mira Antonella Buslon. I am 1 year old.